Welcome, Wakers. No one understands us. Most of my life, I think I am living in the mass because most of the people will fail to understand us, what we're thinking, what our aspiration is, what our motivation is. And that is okay because all you need is to understand yourself. And in the future, we can find people that truly understand us without putting masks. So, why I said that all my life I think I'm putting a mask? Because most people are not delusional. That's the reality. They are living with reality. And with that, by being delusionally believe or confidence that you can achieve something, they think it's impossible. They think you are just being delusional. And that's makes us want to put mask when talking to people like this. Because if I said that I want to be a billionaire, it's crazy, right? No one will believe you, especially those people that close to you. And that's fine because all you need is to believe yourself. And also, the reason why I make this channel and make this video is hopefully to find like-minded individual with the same wavelength or same mindset as I have. And maybe I don't need to put mask anymore. So I hope this channel be a community or be a catalyst for those people with have the same mindset as us to build a foundation or a community that can understand each other. And as always, welcome to this era. Welcome to this community. Welcome to Waking Era. See you again next time, Wakers.